Memories waking up, the streets are coming alive. Every corner holds a story, every building has its vibe. Through the avenues and alleys, we soar beneath the sky. Like a bird with metal wings, we rise up and we fly. Skyscrapers reach for heaven, lights flicker in the dawn. People start their journeys with the first breath of the morn. Cars stream like rivers fast, bustling like the sea. In the heart of all this chaos, let myself be free. We glide into the sunrise, colors paint the day. With every turn and twist, we dance above the clay. From rooftops to the gardens, with grace we sail and roam. In the pulse of the city, this drone has found a home. Whispers in the breezes, secrets in the wind. Through canyons of concrete, our journey will begin. Echoes of the laughter, stories never told. We're guardians of the skyline, adventures yet unfold. From market stalls to spires, each scene a masterpiece, a tapestry of dreams that will never cease. Every window tells a tale, every shadow hides. We capture all the moments as the world confides. We glide into the sunrise, colors paint the day. With every turn and twist, we dance above the clay. From rooftops to the gardens, with grace we sail and roam. In the pulse of the city,